Benjamin Moore just dropped their 2026 Color of the Year and Complete Color Trends palette, and I have to say, this year's pick is bold. We're talking about a dramatic shift from the safe, neutral era we've been living in. This isn't your typical beige or soft gray. Benjamin Moore is pushing boundaries with Silhouette AF 655, and honestly, I'm here for it. But here's the thing. Not all 8 colors in this palette are created equal. Today, I will be working on 8 colors from Benjamin Moore for the year 2026, breaking down the LRV numbers, showing you exactly where each color works and where it absolutely doesn't, and revealing why their color of the year choice is absolutely genius for 2026. Okay, let's see the color. Color number 8, Southwest Pottery. Southwest Pottery is an earthy terracotta tone inspired by kiln-fired clay, evoking sun-baked landscapes, artisan craftsmanship, and a return to handmade beauty. This color feels organic and grounding, but also niche. With an LRV of 16.56, it absorbs more light than it reflects, making it best suited for spaces that can handle deeper, warmer tones. Where it works best: dining rooms, rustic kitchens, Mediterranean villas, or exteriors with stucco and adobe finishes. Styling tip: pair it with creamy whites or soft blues for contrast, or with natural materials like wood and stone for a cohesive, earthy vibe. Southwest Pottery reflects the ongoing trend toward authentic, nature-inspired design, but it requires the right environment to truly shine. Color number 7, Narragansett Green. Narragansett Green is a deep, blackened teal that oozes depth and sophistication. It carries a sense of heritage, reminiscent of old libraries, vintage cabinetry, and historical architecture. With an LRV of just 9.14, it's extremely dark, so it needs plenty of natural or artificial light to balance the moodiness. Where it works best: powder rooms, kitchen islands, library walls, or entryway doors for a statement entrance. Pairing idea: white trim, like Swiss coffee. Aged brass hardware and soft linen textures help prevent the space from feeling too heavy. Narragansett Green embodies confidence and nostalgia, a modern twist on classic design. Color number 6, Sherwood Tan. Sherwood Tan is a timeless neutral, a warm, natural tan with undertones of brown and gold. It's easy, familiar, and endlessly versatile, making it the ideal choice for transitional spaces. Why it stands out: Sherwood Tan bridges the gap between the minimalist palettes of the 2020s and the richer, more expressive tones of 2026. It works as a quiet, stabilizing color in a time when bolder choices are emerging. Where it works best: living rooms, hallways, or open concept areas where you need a neutral canvas. Pairing tip: combine with dark woods and layered textiles like linen or wool for warmth, or modernize it with black accents and matte finishes. Sherwood Tan represents comfort, familiarity, and balance, a reminder that not every space needs to shout to make an impression. Color number 5, Batik. Batik blends muted violet and dusty rose to create a hue that's quietly confident and unexpectedly versatile. It's the kind of color that shifts beautifully with light, feeling warm and cocooning in the evening, but soft and airy during the day. Where it works best: bedrooms, nurseries, or home offices where calm meets personality. Style direction: pair it with brushed brass fixtures, walnut wood, and ivory upholstery for an elegant, layered effect. With an LRV of 50.43, Batik sits in the perfect middle range, balanced, sophisticated, and reflective of a post-neutral era where people crave subtle color that still feels livable. Color number 4, Raindance. Raindance is a serene gray-green with understated sophistication. It's modern yet timeless, reminiscent of coastal fog or the muted greens of eucalyptus leaves. Why it matters: green continues to dominate interior palettes for its psychological link to balance and renewal. Raindance, however, tones it down with a gray undertone, making it more adaptable to different styles. Where it works best: kitchen cabinetry, bathroom vanities, or bedroom accent walls. Design insight: pair with matte black hardware for a contemporary edge, or with natural rattan and white oak for a calm, organic feel. Raindance captures the tranquil luxury trend that's shaping 2026, refined, relaxed, and quietly elegant. Color number 2, Swiss Coffee. Swiss Coffee is Benjamin Moore's iconic warm white, a color that designers trust for its versatility and balance. With an LRV of 81.91, it reflects plenty of light without feeling stark or cold. The undertones of cream and soft beige make it an ideal companion to almost any other color in the palette. Where it works best, everywhere. Walls, ceilings, trim, or cabinetry. It's the perfect base note in any color composition. Design insight, pair with deep tones like Silhouette or Narragansett Green for contrast, or with blush and terracotta for a cozy monochrome scheme. Swiss coffee continues to be the anchor of warm minimalism. Timeless, flexible, and always flattering. Color number 2, Swiss coffee. Swiss coffee is Benjamin Moore's iconic warm white, a color that designers trust for its versatility and balance. With an LRV of 81.91, it reflects plenty of light without feeling stark or cold. The undertones of cream and soft beige make it an ideal companion to almost any other color in the palette. Where it works best, everywhere. Walls, ceilings, trim, or cabinetry. It's the perfect base note in any color composition. Design insight, pair with deep tones like Silhouette or Narragansett Green for contrast, or with blush and terracotta for a cozy monochrome scheme. Swiss coffee continues to be the anchor of warm minimalism. Timeless, flexible, and always flattering. Color number 1, Silhouette, Color of the Year 2026. LRV 10.18. Finally, the star of the show. Silhouette, Benjamin Moore's 2026 Color of the Year. This shade embodies the future of interior design, bold, confident, and deeply sophisticated. It's a velvety blend of espresso brown and charcoal gray that feels both modern and classic. Why it's genius. Silhouette represents the growing desire for intention and individuality in our spaces. After years of muted minimalism, homeowners are ready for emotion, for color that creates atmosphere, mood, and storytelling. Where it works best, living room or bedroom accent walls, kitchen islands with marble countertops, home offices and libraries for focus and depth front doors or shutters for a statement exterior, behind shelving or in nooks to add visual dimension, Silhouette doesn't blend in. It defines a space. It's luxury with restraint, drama with purpose. So there you have it. Benjamin Moore's 2026 Color Trends palette ranked with Silhouette AF 655 taking the crown as Color of the Year. What's your favorite from the 2026 palette? Drop a comment below. Are you brave enough to try Silhouette, or are you Team Swiss Coffee for a safer choice? Want me to show you how to use these colors in specific rooms? Let me know what room you're planning to paint, and I'll create a detailed tutorial for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more color trend updates, and check out my other videos on 2025 to 2026 color predictions. I called this dark, moody trend months ago. Until next time, keep designing beautifully.